Hi, my name is Chef Dominic Grande. I am with Case-Specific Meal Prep, which is a healthy meal prep company located in Pittsburgh. We work with dietitians to create healthy, fresh meals that are delivered all over Allegheny County. Today we're going to be making a grilled pineapple salsa. It's really easy to put together. It's got fresh grilled pineapple, which you can also do on the stovetop, which I'm going to be doing today. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes to put together, and it's great year-round. So our grilled pineapple salsa is going to be 1/2 of a fresh pineapple, 1 can of drained and rinsed black beans, 1 can of diced tomatoes with juice, 1 small diced red onion, 1 de-seeded and diced jalapeno, a 1/3 cup of fresh cilantro, 2 tablespoons of lime juice, a drizzle of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. Optional seasonings you can use to spice up your salsa are garlic powder, paprika, cumin, chili powder, and a dash of hot sauce. So for chopping up our pineapple, we'll start with chopping off the top or the tip. That'll show us where our core is, and that's going to sort of serve as our guide for cutting around the pineapple. Next, I'll chop off the rest of the top so I can kind of see that core clearly, and I'll begin shaving down the sides so that all that kind of brown stuff is off. There might be a little bit that's still on there, but that's okay. So we'll shave down all of the sides, and that'll leave us with our flesh. Once we kind of have shaved off all of the sides, I like to go ahead and chop the bottom off too, so we just have our flesh. So in the middle, you'll see like kind of a dense circle, like a hard circle. That is the core. And we are going to shave around that. And from this, we'll even those out so that they're more uniform, and they'll be ready for grilling or sauteing. So for this recipe, we're going to be grilling or sauteing our pineapple. You want to get the pan heated up with some olive oil until just as it reaches a smoke point, and you can go ahead and put the pineapple, each plank, down in the grill and arrange them and let them cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, just until they start to get that nice brown caramelization texture. So once that pineapple is done, I like to keep the planks whole as I cook it. So we'll remove that either from the grill or from the saute pan, and we'll let it cool for a second. And while it cools, we can go ahead and dice up our jalapeno and our red onion and add them to the bowl. We can chop up our cilantro as well. Once that's all in the bowl, then we can go ahead and chop up our pineapple into small, about 1/2 inch size little pieces and add them to the bowl. And then we can go ahead and open up our cans of diced tomatoes and black beans. For the black beans, we're gonna go ahead and drain and rinse them. Combine those in the bowl with the red onion, jalapeno, diced tomato, along with our cilantro, our lime juice, a little bit of oil, along with our seasonings. And mix together, season to taste, and it's ready to go. I hope you all enjoyed the grilled pineapple and black bean salsa. I'd like to thank the Pittsburgh Food Bank for having us today. And if you'd like to find out more information about Case-Specific Meal Prep, you can visit us on our website at csnppgh.com. That's all one word. Thank you and goodbye.